here in Carteret Mobile Park, and we just installed these new banners in our community, try to make it pretty and also to help people find our office. This is a farm location in the 1950s, and in 1954 the mobile home park was created. And so the office is fronts Roosevelt Avenue, which was the original farmhouse, and then all of this back here was the farm. So in 1954, three gentlemen from Carteret organized together to create this little village here. And as you see, through time, many of the older homes have been replaced with manufactured homes. So in anything before 1976 is under mobile home or trailer construction, which is more like an RV. And anything after 1976 is considered a construction code for manufactured homes. That's when the federal government created the standardized construction code, so it would stop every state doing their own construction standards, and created a federal one which every manufacturing facility has to comply with. So that helps everyone, the homeowners, the builders, and the dealers. The dealers are like our family, who does the final finishing and construction work with the concrete foundations and all of the connections to the utilities. These are permanent homes. They basically just arrive on wheels, and for all intents and purposes, really never move again. And the way we keep our community is what helps people sell their homes with high resale values. Unlike many people who specify that you don't get your money's worth, we recently sold a home built in 2012, and it was purchased in 2012 for $60,000, and I resold it for $75,000. So this is the front of the office. This is the farmhouse. As you can see, our website is myhomeincarteret.com, and our email is info@dolanhomes.com. This is the farmhouse, and we're going to be getting a new sign over there. But in the meantime, contact us. We'd love to hear from you and see how we can help you.